Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I'm going to show you a watercoloring technique. And it's a watercolor spritzer technique. It's used for line stamping or almost any other kind of stamping that you want to do, but I like using it with line stamps. So really what you're going to need is you're going to need some watercolor paper, you're going to need some markers, and you're going to need a spritzer filled with water, one of our spritzers. What I'm choosing to use Good Morning Magnolia with the large one here, though you can use almost any one. And I'll be showing you on There's a Card Thursday another stamp set. So what I am doing is I'm just going to color in or color the stamp, the flower portion of this with I've got Marvelous or Melon Mambo. I almost said Marvelous Magenta. We haven't had that in a long time. Just color it all in like this. And I'm going to use Old Olive for the leaves. Now I wanted to show you this because this one goes off the piece of watercoloring, and that's okay. Wanted to show you how that is done. And again, just making sure all of that, all of the flower itself has the Melon Mambo on it. Sorry about that. And then I'm going to take the Old Olive. Now you also want to use the side, let's see, the side of this. You don't want to use your tip, you want to use the side of this. Side of your marker. The magnolias are blooming here in Michigan right now, in East Lansing. They're beautiful. The trees are just starting to pop. You all know I love to watercolor, so. Once you get all of it done, what you want to done with the markers, then what, now you don't have to use our spritzer, you can use another spritzer if you want. I like this because you need one that makes a full mist and not dribbles out. So I'm just going to wet it. I'm going to take my piece of watercolor paper and I'm going to flip this over and just place it on the watercolor paper. Okay? And there you got it. Now you could probably do another one if you'd like. There's enough ink on here. I just don't have a, well, this isn't a full one, but I'll show you. There. And then you want to just let it dry, or you can blot it out. But you want to let it dry, or else you'll get something looking like, see that? Let me show you. I stuck my finger in it when it was still wet. So you just want to set these to dry before you put them on your cards. And this one I am just going to put on a background for designer series paper and just on a regular one. So anyhow, remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you want to make these types of cards are down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.